You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these acronyms, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary in English. If you're looking at how to say the surname that is spelled SnG from Chinese, well, make sure to stay tuned because I've got another video for you. This acronym, spelled that way, stands for Substitute Natural Gas, a gas made by heating coal or refining heavy hydrocarbons. And it's said as SnG. SnG is how you pronounce that. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations, and if you're looking at how to say the name spelled SnG, well, here's a video for you. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.